again, for some students, that, especially if they're using calculators, it doesn't matter what the numbers are. They can use their calculator if they want. I'm just at the point where I'm going to say calculators are probably more damaging than good at this level. So what I want to do is go to the problem and see if I can handle it. What do you have here? 7x minus 2.2. Yes, that's a decimal, and that does cause some trouble for students. Subtract 7x from both sides. You want to get the variable term onto one side. You get minus 2.2. And 3 minus 7 is minus 4. All right, then what do you do? Whoops, sorry about that. Divide both sides by the variable's numerical coefficient, which is minus 4. And what do you get there? Well, on the left side, you just get x. On the right side, you're going to get 2.2, because the negative by negative is positive, over 4. But that doesn't look right to me. I'm kind of mixing concepts here. So I'm going to say x is equal to, and I'll go through a couple of different ways of doing it. I could go through a division. Let's write that down. 4 into 2.2. That goes in 5. That's a 20. I get a 2 over there, drop a 0, another 5. So I could say 0.55. All right? So the other way I could do it is just look at it and say, oh, 2.2 over 4 is the same thing as 22 over 40. All right? Now, what's 22 over 40? I'm looking at it. By the way, what I did there was I multiplied top and bottom by 10 to get rid of the decimal. I could reduce that. And what would that give me? Let's say 11 over 20. And that's about as far as I could go over here. So there's actually two different answers I could put down, by the way. I could say 0.55, or I could say 11 over 20. Let's see if those answers are listed. I do see that answer here, and I do see the other answer over here. You notice that Sage is going for a ratio of integer, by the way, which may not be a bad idea. Now, someone's going to say, could you take the 0.55 and raise a ratio of integer? Of course you could. 0.55 is the same thing as 55 over 100. I probably would divide by 5 at first. You get 11, and 5 into 100 is 20. And it gives you 11 over 20, as we expected, by the way. Thank you.